Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a useful pouch, card purse and tote bag with strawberry appliques. We sew our strawberry appliques on the canvas tote bag body piece. This is how I make two ribbon attached tote bag strips. Attach the bag strips 11.5 cm away from the edge. Secure the straps. Sew French seams on the two sides of the bag. The first line and sew on the right side. Turn the bag to the wrong side. Sew another line on the wrong side, making sure to leave a wider allowance to hide the first line. Cut off the loose threads and we are done. Iron our strawberries onto the linen. Iron the iron batting on the other side. Use free motion embroidery to draw the strawberries. Hand sew the seeds. Use a 3.5 cm by 4 cm linen fabrics to cover the two sides of the zipper. Place the front fabric, zipper, and the lining fabric as shown in the video. Pin them for a knit sew later. Pin the zipper with the front fabric and lining fabric as shown in the video. Sew front stitches on both sides of the lining fabric. Sew the zipper purses two sides on. Leave an opening on lining fabric for turning. Sew the corners. Turn it over and sew the opening up. Give it a good press, and your very cute and useful zipper purse is done. The third sewing project you are going to use daily: strawberry card and coin purse. Follow the same steps. Use free motion embroidery to attach the strawberry. Sew the card purse front and the lining fabric. Sew the corners. Put the front piece into the lining piece, making sure they are right sized together. Sew around the purse edge by leaving a gap for turning. Turn it over and sew the opening up. Assemble the metal frame onto the purse. Please check my very detailed free tutorial on how to make this card purse. The link is in the description. Add more decor if you want. Thank you for watching.